Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a YouTube banner. So what you're going to need is the text art app. And so I'm opening it right now. I'm about to open it. And there I'm going to go to create a new project. Then I can either upload or use the stock photos that they have. So that's what I'm doing, kind of looking through all the pictures that I want to use. And so I ended up choosing the leaves right here, and then you can change the frame that you want it to be. So I am using the horizontal frame that's kind of will fit the banner image when it goes on YouTube. And so as you can see, I'm kind of messing around with the frame, and I'm trying to adjust the the leaves, sorry y'all. And so once I'm kind of satisfied with the position of the leaves or however I want it to be, oh, they do have a free trial. So I forgot to use it, so I'm going to use it. And yeah, so I registered for the free trial, and I'm now messing around with the font and style for the text. And so again, it's very important that when you're deciding whatever font size you want or adjusting it, make sure that the placement is in a position where it will when you put it on the banner, because YouTube has a thing where you know how it only takes in part of the picture. Yeah, so make sure that it's kind of centered low. Like you can just literally copy how I centered my my text, right? And so following that will really help you, because YouTube really be tripping. So again, I think this was this style that I ended up choosing. And then I went to the colors and I started messing around with the colors. So the picture that you saw previously was the style that I ended up choosing, but I just want to show y'all that this app also have like different colors that you can use. They have patterns, they have gradient colors, and all of these different unique features that you can use to make your banner image really stand out. So I was kind of exploring, and I was like, none of these pictures are really doing it for me. So I ended up sticking up with my casual black image and the black text. Why do I keep saying image for, what is wrong with me, y'all? Just excuse this mess. But yeah, this is the picture I ended up going with. And then I just want y'all to see how I center mine, because you have to make sure that your image fits in the banner thing, because YouTube is very selective. And then I'm going to show you all in the next steps how, after you make this image, how you upload it on the banner, because YouTube they have a size reduction, so the image usually comes out very big. And so I use this online app to reduce it. Then I have to upload it. So yeah, I'm going to show you all that process. So basically after that, I kind of not centered, but messed around with the position of the text, because again, I was messing around previously with the banner thing on YouTube, and I figured out what position I wanted to place my image in. And so after that, I airdrop it to my MacBook, and I use this site called IM2 Image to reduce the picture that I created on the text art. So once I airdropped it, I then use this app called IM2 Image Reducer. I'm not sure if it's correct. I can't see it on here. But you can pause the video and zoom in. And then so YouTube has like word limit on, not a word limit, but like a frame reduction for the thumbnail. So that's why I was saying that it was important that you made sure the text fit in the way that it will fit the thumbnail frame. But you will see what I'm talking about when I start putting the image on the thumbnail. Anyways, So I put in the reduction number because if your picture is bigger, YouTube won't let it go through. Like, it won't let you change your thumbnail. So I highlighted the reduction. It was like 2040 by 1148. I'm not sure if those were the exact numbers. Again, you can pause the video or even search Google to find out. And it's highlighted again in the video. So once you are on this, again, image reducer site, you type in those numbers, and once you do that, you're able to reduce your picture. So I'm going to download my picture and then proceed to upload it on YouTube. So now that my video is uploaded, I open it up, and what is it? Now I'm gonna post it, try to put it on my YouTube banner. So here I'm choosing the picture, and then you see how I'm trying to make it fit the frame reduction thing that I'm talking about. So YouTube shows you how your picture or your word will fit on different types of devices. The center horizontal frame is how it will fit on all devices. So I wanted my name to appear, so I made sure I had to center that, right? The thing is, you can't move the image, so that's the worst part. You can only move the frame. That's why I kept saying it's very important that you make sure that your image is really aligns with what YouTube frame recommendations or whatever it is. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I guess this is how you create a banner and upload it on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not done so.